Are you tired of waiting in endless, soul-crushing lines? We have a cocktail for you. Hello, and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. If you're tired of waiting in endless lines, only to learn that you've forgotten to dot an I or cross a T from someone who seems to secretly enjoy your pain, have we got a cocktail for you? To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of rye, 1 ounce brandy, 1/2 ounce Kahlua salted caramel liqueur, and 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. Guaranteed to dull the pain of losing a day of your life that you'll never get back to do business with people who really don't care.
Here's to dulling the pain.
Amen to that. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, Liquor live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon.